Hi dear students, first and foremost I would like to welcome you to Don Bosco PU College, Chitraturga. Since the COVID-19 pandemic has disrupted the normal lifestyle of people across the globe, the virtual world has come to the rescue. Among many institutions, Don Bosco has also shifted its base to virtual platforms to conduct classes online. So, it is inevitable for us to update ourselves with the technical tools that help us in online classes. In the previous videos, we learned about accessing college website, attending Zoom live classes, and also we learned about using Google Forms. Coming to Google Forms, many of us are finding difficult to convert our answer sheets into one PDF file and upload to Google Form. So, in this video, we shall learn converting the images into one PDF file and uploading it to Google Form. Now, we shall start learning step by step. In the first step, we need to take photos of the answer sheets we have written and have them in the gallery. As you can see, in my gallery I have got few photos of answer sheets. In the second step, we need to get the app to convert the images into one PDF file. To get the app, go to Play Store and search for the document scanner. Here you can see many apps, right? Among these many apps, we have to choose for the better one. If we go according to the ratings, the third one looks better. You can see the third app, right? Document Scanner Made in India. Click on that app and install it. I have already installed it. After installing it, just open it. When you open the app, the front page of app looks like this. The third step is choosing the images from the gallery. Here at the bottom right corner, you can see the two symbols, right? The first symbol indicates the camera through which you can take photos directly from here and convert them into one PDF file. The second symbol indicates picture, which will take you to the gallery from where we can choose the pictures to convert them into one PDF file. I suggest going for the second option. Okay, click on the second option so that you will be taken to gallery. We are in gallery now. Choose the images of our answer sheets. We need to convert them. After choosing, click on the done option. Here you can see two options. How do you want to process cropping and color filters? Go for the second option, auto, so that your images will be automatically cropped and kept ready. You see, these are the 5 images we have selected. To convert these 5 images into one PDF file, this is fourth step. We need to convert these 5 images into one PDF file. Click on the PDF symbol, which is seen at the right corner. I mean top right corner. click on that symbol so that our images will be converted into one PDF file. You can see, right? Okay. Fifth step is to save the document. Click on the save option, which is available just below the app. Name the document. I will name it as Open Book Test. Then choose the path where you want to save your document. I will choose as internal storage so that my document will be saved in the internal storage of my mobile. You see, our document has been saved successfully. Now, the second important step we need to, after fifth step, sixth step is uploading the saved document into Google Form. I will go to Google Form. I have chosen your previous Open Book Test Google Form. Fill up the necessary fields. Choose the combination. You can see these are the questions. Just go to end of the Google Form so that you will find an option to add your file. Click on the add option. There is one more option to select. Select files from your device. Click on this option so that you will be taken to your device storage. You see, our file is here, Open Book Test. Choose it so that it will be ready to upload. It is ready to upload now. Click on the upload option. You see, our file is uploaded successfully. The last step is to submit it. Click on the submit option. You see, our response has been recorded successfully. I hope you understood all the steps. Thank you.